going to start by removing these two Phillips head screws here. It's easiest to do it with a stubby Phillips head screwdriver if you have one. And once we take these out, we can get this trim piece out of here, the gauge cluster bezel. Next is to take off this trim piece here, and then the same on the other side of the steering wheel where the dimmer adjuster knob is. Use a trim tool and just pop it out, just like that. Behind here, you'll find a 7mm screw or bolt. Go ahead and remove that. If this panel has never been disconnected before, it'll have one of these locking clips in here from the factory. Just grab it with some cutters and remove it. And now just finish pulling this panel off. Just like this. Pull it out of the way. The hazard switch is right here at this point, and from the back side it'll actually push through that way. The best way to get this thing out of here is to actually pry down from the top and push in at the same time. Eventually it should pop free. There we go. And now you can have a much easier time unplugging it. Lift up on this tab and pull the connector out. There's the old switch. Take your new one, plug it in, take the new switch and slide it through. And of course, you want to make sure that it is secured in there. Now you can take this cover and slide it back in here. Line it up, press it into place. Let's put in the two bolts at the bottom. Nice and snug. Do the same to the other side. Don't forget to put the trim pieces back in, both here on the driver's side and on the passenger side. One last thing is the two Phillips head screws that lock the bezel in at the top. Make those nice and tight, and there you have it.